So we have a leaky faucet, and I call in the experts to come look at the problem. I mean, the team of two. So let's see how they're gonna fix this faucet. First of all, they gotta make sure. Yep, it's leaking. It's leaking. Yep, it's leaking. Yep, that's definitely water. That's definitely water. It's leaking from the faucet. Yep, it's wet. That's wet water. Yeah, so this one here is diagnosed with the problem, and he is studying how to fix it. He's the thinker. Oh no, they're both pondering the issue. Well, what do you gotta do, guys? She's looking for her tools to fix the problem. Maybe she could put a cotton swab in there or something. Nope, no tools there. Definitely wet water. Maybe they'll make sure it's fresh. Have a drinky drink. I hope you guys are not going to charge me, give me a big bill for this repair job. And how long is it going to take to fix it? You're doing a lot of diagnosing and assessing the issue. I don't think it has anything to do with the sink. It's the faucet. Have you guys thought about like just turning it off? Why are you climbing up the wall? Like, you could just turn the water off. Look, boo. Look. No more water. Otherwise, if the water was on, it would be on somebody's tail. Yep. So, I did the plumber's job for them, and I guarantee you they're gonna send me a big bill. Probably like wet cat food. Hey! Hello, Master Plumber. This is the Master Plumber. He fixed the leak. Good job. Good job. Give me a scratch on the head. It's a wrap.